Welcome to my session. Today the topic is isomerism, in that position isomerism. Okay, position isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the position of functional group. Compound having same molecular formula but differ in the position of functional group, substituent and multiple bonds. So same molecular formula but differ in functional group, substituents and multiple bonds. For example 1, C4 H8, C4H8. So the first structure is carbon double bond C, CH3, CH2, hydrogen CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons, 2, 3, 2, 5 plus 3, 8 carbons. Okay. Now, same molecular formula but the position of double bond is changed. CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. 3, 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Here the position of double bond is at first position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 butene. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 butene. This is 1 butene. This is 1 butene, this is 2 butene. Here double bond position is changed. In first structure double bond present at first position, in second structure double bond present at second position. Okay. Now second one is C4H6. Now possibility 2 structures, 1, 2, C4, 2, 3. Right, this is triple bond. CH, there is no need here, hydrogen, CH2, 1, 2, 3 plus CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogens. And second structure CH3, C triple bond CH3. Okay, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. Here the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here triple bond present at first position, here triple bond present at second position. This is multiple bond, example for multiple bond. Same molecular formula but multiple bond present at different positions. Multiple bond means double bond or triple bond. In first case double bond present different places, and in second case triple bond present at different places. Now third example is C3H8O. C3H8O. This belongs to alcohol. Okay, now I write CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Right. So the numbering, okay, I write this way: CH3, 1, 2, 3, OH. So the numbering is this way: 1, 2, 3. Okay, clear. This is the way you write for convenient. CH3, CH, CH3, OH. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. 3 plus 3. 6, 7, 8 carbons and oxygen. 1 oxygen. Here 1, 2, 3. Here first position alkyl group present. Here second position alkyl group present. Second group alkyl present. Now fourth one is C5H11Cl. Fourth one is C5H11Cl. Here three possibilities are there. First one is one, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5Cl. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2Cl. 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, C11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C5 and chlorine. And change the chlorine position. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the chlorine present at this position are same. Now I change the chlorine position from first carbon to second carbon. Cl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8. CH3 here. Okay. This is 1 chloro. This is 2 chloro. And one more position changed from second position to third position. CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, CH3. This is 3 chloro. 3 chloro. Okay. These three are position isomers. These three are position isomers. Okay. Next one is C2H4Cl2. Then fifth one. C2H4Cl. Here two possibilities: CH3, CH, Cl, Cl, and second possibility CH2, CH2Cl, CH2Cl. This is second possibility. Here two chloros present at same carbon. This is called geminal position. Two chloros present at same carbon, geminal structure, and here two chloros present at adjacent carbons. This is called vicinal compounds. Vicinal compound, geminal and vicinal compound. Okay. Now sixth one is C2H4, C6H4Cl2, C6H4Cl2. This belongs to 6 carbons compulsory benzene ring. Okay, 3 benzene rings. We have 3 possibilities for this one. Okay. First position chloro. Okay, and second chloro present at ortho, and chloro Cl meta position, and chlorine para position. This is artho position, meta position, and para position. Okay, clear? Same molecular formula, but position of chlorines are different. For here, chloro present at second position, here third position, here fourth position, compared with this is first one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is C6H4 Cl2. Now sixth, seventh one is C6H3 Cl3. C6H3Cl3. This is little bit complicated, but see, observe carefully, right? Observe carefully. Here also three possibilities. Benzene. First chloro, second chloro, third chloro. Okay. First chloro, second chloro, third chloro. Now first chloro, second chloro, third chloro. Only three possibilities are formed. 1 2 3, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 trichloro. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 comma 3 comma 5 trichloro. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 comma 2 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 4 trichlorobenzene. Okay, these all are same molecular formula, but different substituents, different functional groups, or different multiple bond positions. Okay, this is called positional isomerism. Okay, we will take one more example. Observe carefully. Here in this structure we discuss positional isomers only, position isomers and chain isomers only. C4H10O, C4H10O, C4H10O. One structure is CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Second structure is CH3, CH2, CH2, here OH, CH3. 1 2 3 4, 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. Okay, now third structure is iso. CH3, CH3, CH, CH2. This is third structure. And fourth structure is C 1 2 3 4 OH, CH3, CH3, CH3. Okay, and fifth structure is here carbon, oxygen, 1 2 3, and sixth structure is CCCOC, and seventh Okay, right, wait. Sixth one is this one. Sixth one is COCC, and seventh one is carbon COC. See here, 7 possibilities are there for C4H10O. Here 1 and 2 are 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 are position isomers. Now 1 and 3, 1 and 3. See here, in first structure 4 carbon chain, in second structure 3 carbon chain. Already we discussed in previous class chain isomers. 1 and 3 are chain isomers. 2 and 4. Second one is 4 carbon chain. This one 2 carbon chain. Here 4 carbon chain, here 2 carbon chain. Okay. Next 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3. 2 and 3 also. Here 4 carbon chain, here 3 carbon chain. And 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. These all are chain isomers. These all are chain isomers. Right. This is also 5 and 6, 7. These 3 are position isomers. Why? Because this is the ether group. Ether group present at 1, 2, 3. First position. 1, 2. The in between these 2 carbons and these 2 carbons. Here iso group and this one. Okay. This is also called metamerism also. Metamers also present in this structure. We will discuss later class. Okay. In chain isomerism, chain length will be decreased or increased for isomers. In position isomers, there is no certain rule for length of carbon chain, but substituent or functional group or multiple bond present at different places is called position isomers. Right? Clear? This is positional isomers. Clear? Next class we will discuss about functional group isomerism. Okay? Clear? Thank you.